Vikrant Pranam. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all, the distinguished guests, keynote speakers, researchers, academicians, industry experts, scholars, and participants to the first international conference on artificial intelligence, data science, cybersecurity, and smart manufacturing for sustainable development, which is being organized by Vikrant University, Gwalior. This prestigious international conference is being organized in collaboration with IEEE and sponsored by Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology, which reflects its academic importance, relevance, and global outlook of this event. Today, the world is rapidly transforming through the artificial intelligence, data science, cybersecurity, and smart manufacturing technologies. These emerging domains are not only redefining industries and economies, but also playing a critical role in achieving sustainable development goals and shaping the future of humanity. At Vikrant University, we strongly believe that innovation, interdisciplinary research, industry-academia collaboration, and technology-driven education are essential pillars for building future-ready institutions and professionals as well. Through this conference, we aim to provide a vibrant global platform for intellectual exchange, knowledge sharing, networking, and collaborative research among researchers, academicians, scientists, industry leaders, and students as well. I'm extremely happy to note that renowned keynote speakers and delegates from India and abroad are joining this conference and contributing their valuable insights and experiences. I'm confident that the technical sessions, keynote talks, discussions, and presentations will inspire meaningful ideas, innovative solutions, and future collaborations. I sincerely congratulate the entire organizing committee, including conference chair, conveners, faculty members, research scholars, and student volunteers, as well as IEEE collaborators and other stakeholders for their hard work and dedication in organizing this prestigious academic conference. Once again, I welcome you all to the vibrant campus of Vikrant University, Gwalior, and wish this conference a wonderful success. Thank you so much.